Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I hope you all are doing well. So, today we are going to start the exercise 1G. Question number 1, solve the simultaneous equations. Part A is y equals to 6 minus x, y equals to x squared. So, let's suppose this is the equation 1 and this is equation 2. So now solution, we are going to start from here. So the first step, both are equals to y, both equations. So we can equate r. We can use the substitution method. Subst- Simultaneous equation we can simplify by substitution method. Substitution method is we have to substitute the one equation into other. So let's the first step, substitute the equation 2 in equation 1. 2 in 1 substitute. So here, how can we substitute it? It means instead of the y, it's the y value is x squared in the equation 2. So instead of the y, we will replace here x squared. Means the second equation we will write here just x squared in place of y. So it would be x squared equals to 6 minus x. Now we will rearrange to form a quadratic form. Standard quadratic equation. Standard quadratic equation. So here it would be, we will shift these values on the other side of equal, the sign will change. Minus x becomes the plus x, plus 6 would be the minus x. Nothing is left there, so it would be equals to 0. Now we did the quadratic equation by using factorization quadratic formula. We can simplify. So here we are going to use the factorization. Factorization. So factorization would be like we have to multiply the a with the c. There is no term, it would be 1. 6 times 1 is 6. So x square we will keep same. Then we have to find the factors of the 6. As we know that the 3 times 2 is 6. 3 minus 2 would be 1, right? So I will write the factors. I will break down the middle term this into factors. So it would be the plus 3x minus plus 3x and minus 2x, then minus 6 equals to 0. Then I will take the common from the first two and the next two terms. Common means the same value I will factor out. So x is common, x plus 3 is left, and here minus 2 is common because 2 times 3 is 6. So when minus is common, the next sign will change, so x plus 3 equals to 0. Then further I will take again common from the first term and the second. X plus 3 and x plus 3 is common. So now when x plus 3 is common, only x minus 2 is left equals to 0. Then I will set both equals to 0 separately. The second x minus 2 is equals to 0. So here x would be equals to negative 3, sign will change. And here x equals to positive 2. We got the values of x here. Now we will substitute in any one equation to find the y values. Simultaneous equation means solve for x and y both. By substituting in equation 1. So equation 1 is y equals to 6 minus x. First of all, I will substitute the minus 3. So it will be 6 minus and minus 3, the first value. So now y is equals to 6 minus minus plus 3, which is 9. At the same time, here I will substitute now the second value, which is 2. So 6 minus 2. So y equals to 4. I got the values of the x and y both. One is 9, second is 4. So at the end, answer we will write in a pairs. In a pairs means when x was minus 3, I got the y value 9. And then the second, when x was the 2, so I got the y value 4. This is the solution of the given simultaneous equation.